What's up guys, Bodie Davison back with another video for you. So today's video, we're going to go through a free mockup generator. Well, a couple of free mockup generators for those of you that are interested in print on demand in 2020. As you guys know that have been following the channel, I'm going to be doing some print on demand next as my next sort of venture. And so obviously I've been doing a lot of research over the past few weeks, lots of videos, lots of tutorials, then combining that with my dropshipping experience already and a bit of know-how. I'm going to be setting up a store and going from there. So I'll tell you more about which print on demand service I'm going to go with and everything I'm doing as I do it. But today's video is about free mockup generator that you can have pictures of your products on the internet. So these are just two that I thought you'd find handy, especially one of them which I have only just come across. So print on demand is obviously, people think of print on demand, they think of t-shirts, funny t-shirts, dad t-shirts, all sorts of different things. But print on demand is more than that these days. Print on demand is canvases, mugs, beanies, socks, shoes. There's so many things you can do print on demand with these days, which is why I find it really interesting. And yeah, you're gonna need photos of your products. So here's some mock-up generators. So the first one is that Printful. The website actually has a mock-up generator on there. So mock-up generator here. Let's say that we're going to do, so you've got all sorts of different things. You've got mobile phone cases, you've even got bags, socks, and then there's other things in the collections there as well, home and living. So Printful do a lot of things, and to be honest, Printful's probably known for the best quality out of all of them. That's the one thing that everyone agrees to, is that Printful's known for the best quality. So let's just say we're going men's clothing here, and we'll just go a t-shirt. So let's just go this t-shirt, which is probably their most common t-shirt. And then what it's going to bring you up here is a mock-up generator. So I actually don't have a design in mind here, but what you look at here is just go upload file. I've been looking at different tattoos lately, so maybe I'll just put one of those in there. So let's go upload. I accept. So let's just go this samurai, which is a tattoo design I was looking at. For those of you that actually watch the channel, you would know that I'm heavily tattooed. So been looking at different tattoos again lately. So let's just say that it's going to be this. Obviously it's not going to be this. So then you're just dumping it onto the t-shirt, and you can see your different area that you've got to play with there. So obviously you would drag it out so you're at the edges and not want to go over too much, and it's showing you what it's going to look like, and you can play around with all this stuff. It's going to tell you the print quality if you are actually going to use this. So that's going to be poor, and what that's saying is that this is a bit distorted, but I'll go over that more when I start diving into doing the actual print on demand. So I've learned a lot about the differences with print on demand, and I've got a lot to show you guys. So very exciting. But yeah, I know for a fact with this website, from what I've researched, this is telling you that it's going to print poorly. So you want that quality to be up. So you either need to use a larger file size or a more high quality sort of picture, and you would get a better print job. So yeah, as I said, Printful is very well known for good quality printing, so you want to do it properly. And also you don't want to annoy your customers. This is why I'm interested in using a high quality supplier. So anyway, that's one mock-up generator, and you can obviously put that on whatever. You can do a mock-up for phone cases, everything, and there you could snip this out, and then you've got a mock-up photo for your website. So that's the whole point of this video. Let's go to another one. So this is one that I didn't even know about, guys, which is hilarious. I should know about it, but now I do. But this is called Placeitnet, and you can actually what I didn't realize, I've seen it recently, but I didn't realize they had so many free free ones on here as well. So this is pretty cool. So you've got some free ones here. So you can click on this. It's a free download. You can put your image on there, and then, so we might as well do it with the phone case just to switch it up. So let's say we go that, and we'll just use that samurai photo again, and we'll slap it on there. Yep, that'll do. And then bam, there it is on there, and then you can download it for free. So, and you can add text as well. So pretty cool, guys. Obviously this is going to be good for your website if you're building it out and you want to showcase your products. They've got a few free models. They've got obviously some Instagram sort of swipe up feature ones. There's quite a few free ones on here, which I thought was crazy, but quite good. And then, so let's just put this samurai onto this girl's t-shirt, and bam, there you go, it's on the t-shirt. So yeah, pretty cool. And quite a few of different ones that you're allowed to use for free, but you can do a paid setup with these guys, and you would have access to so many. So I think it's awesome. I think it's something that I'm going to use. And there's quite a few free ones though. This is what I was a bit mind blown about. I didn't even know about this. So quite a few different free setups they've got here. A lot of these you can make on Canva and stuff, but it's always good to use pre-made ones, so it makes it easier and less of your time. And then again, as you can see here, a lot of those swipe up sort of features for Instagram stories that you can play around with as well. So yeah, pretty awesome. So that's all I wanted to cover in this video today. I just wanted to show you guys that there's some free mock-up generators out there. Talk a little bit about Printful's setup and how that works. And yeah, just show you guys that you can get some mock-ups, because you might be doing it you could be doing something for work or for school or whatever you're doing, and just need something, you want to put a mock-up on something like a phone case, like I was showing you back on that first page. You could do that. You could have something cool on there, a pretend phone case. Yeah, you could use it for whatever you want to use it for. So yeah, thought I would show you guys that mock-up generator. Thanks very much for watching. Stay tuned, because we are going to dive into print on demand a lot more. So as I said, this is the thing that I'm focusing on, and I want to get into it next in my drop shipping journey. And I know you guys follow the channel to keep coming on the journey and learning along the way. So thanks for that, guys. I'll see you in the next video.